Do children snore only when they are very tired?
No. Snoring in kids is never normal and usually it means a blocked airway.
Does dizziness always come from ear infection?
No. Dizziness can come from dehydration, low blood glucose levels, blood pressure, or weak balance organs in the ear, or sometimes a neurovascular issue also.
Can frequent throat clearing improve your voice?
No. Throat clearing irritates the vocal cords and makes the problem worse.
Does every bent nasal septum need surgery?
No, only the deviations that affect breathing or cause repeated nasal blockages need surgery.
Is morning nose block always sinusitis?
No, morning nose block is usually an allergy and not sinusitis.
Thank you, doctor.